John, did you see the bar?
Oh, yeah.
There's there are so many fun entertainment spaces in this house.
Yeah, they just tucked all over.
They are. I mean, you have the outside. I mean, how many outdoor spaces do you think there are here?
I got the whole patio wraps around and then has balconies on the back, and it's pretty fantastic.
It's incredible. I mean, there's a wine tasting room. We have to take a look at that.
No, I'm not allowed to.
Okay.
No, I have a problem with it.
Yeah, you actually do know your wines. That is very true.
Speaking of tequila and mezcal, in a house like this, it's fabulous for entertaining guests. One of my clients in Malibu was a retired supermodel. She was like the greatest hostess. And she would have a tray with Clase Azul Reposado tequila and 2 snifters right next to every bed.
Wow, that's a lot of beds here. That's 9 bedrooms that we would have to make sure that happens.
Well, Ari, you've got a lot of tequila.
I do. I have a great collection at home that I can bring.
Then I don't think we'll have a problem.
Fantastic. We should try.
Let's go to the bar.
Let's do it. I don't know what we were going to talk about.
Well, you were talking about your tequila collection.
My tequila collection.
And I thought it was a good thing that you had a large tequila collection because there's 9 bedrooms in this house.
There are so many bedrooms in this house, and we love tequila.
But it was easy to prepare the first tray. So we had 1 tray ready to go to the bedroom.
We do. At least we have one.
And Ari, because you've got a tequila collection,
Yes.
I think I'll go work on some other projects.
Okay.
You only have to do that 9 times.
I mean, it's just real curious. I think it would be so appreciated.
I think you're getting your steps in today.
I sure am. Don't we have such great ideas? I mean, this is going to be...
You do have some good ideas.
I know. That's why we're so good.
This is brilliant.
Let's take a look here. Well, here's the tray.
I love it. And this room, while it was magnificent before, it's even more
magnificent now.
And when that guest walks in and they see that, they know we care about it.
We do.
That's the message.
That's the magic. Cheers.